Press the list button once. By default, the most recent recordings show at the top of the list. As you arrow through the list and pause at a program, you see a brief description of the program, the channel it aired on, the date, time, duration, and rating of the recording. You will notice that there are 4 options available at the bottom of the screen: Delete, red button; Actions, green button; Search, yellow button; and Sort, blue button. Press the corresponding buttons on the remote to perform the listed function. Pressing the red button, for example, allows you to delete a program from your recordings. If you press the green button for Actions, you are presented with a number of options. The Actions list displays on the right-hand side of the screen. To make it easy for you, the list of actions on the screen shows the corresponding button that you could press on the remote control. It is also possible to highlight your selection and then press OK. To show or hide program information, press Info. To go back to the previous screen, press List. If you'd like to move the recording to a different folder, choose Move to Folder. If you would like to set protections on a recording so that it does not automatically get deleted, choose Protect. When you do, a shield symbol will display next to the program name. If you want to remove protection from the recording, simply choose Protect again. To leave the actions list, just press the green button again. To search for future airings of selected programs, press the yellow button. Finally, if you press the blue button to sort, you can change between sorting your recordings by the name of the program or by the date of the recording.